This is the English for Lesson 1 of l'anglais pas à pas, un voyage linguistique pour francophones. English step by step, a linguistic voyage for French speakers. The table. The book. A dialogue. Good morning. Are you going to the museum? Yes, I am going to the British Museum in London. Is it your first time in the city? No, I know the way to the museum. The streets are busy in the morning. Do you want to take the bus or the train? I like the train better than the bus. The station is near the big school. Can you see the tower from here? Yes, the Tower of London is beautiful. We need to get off at the next stop. The museum is not far from the station. Look at the old buildings and the new ones. I love the history of the city. The people are very friendly in the museum.